we are at 531 Norwich Road in Plainfield. Here is a quick street view of this property. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath ranch style home. And we've got a attractive stone wall in the front of the home, and we'll take you on over into the approach as you come through the paved driveway to get into the home. What we have here is we have a 1-car garage, and that garage right now is really used for storage. There's beautiful perennials and annuals here in this home. So this is a classic ranch style home that looks like a cape from the outside, but the second floor is really just a walk-up attic. And as you can see, we've got entrance from the garage, and it comes over to the side of the home. Right here, this sidewalk, and this tree, by the way, will be going. That is sentimental value for the seller. So what's interesting with this home is it has a beautiful side porch. Great for grilling, as you can see, or just plain hanging out. We've got the crabapple tree in blossom. So when you come around to the back side of this home, I'll show you the 3 Seasons porch, which we will get to when we do the interior walkthrough. But this back setting is very, very private, because what you have here is an open meadow behind the property. The stone wall is just beyond our property line and belongs to the neighbor. When the leaves are gone, you're looking out to some great sunsets in the winter months when the leaves are gone. And we will head on down to the backyard here. Property line on this side of the barn right there, or garage, is just a couple feet back toward me. Notice that we've got a walkout basement right here. We've got central air conditioning in this ranch style home. And as we work our way back up to the front of the home, we'll go on inside and see what this house has to offer. All right, here we are in the family room. And like I said, it's a 2-bedroom ranch style home, and you can see your street view right here. The stone wall is phenomenal separation for you. And we will go, this is the kitchen back here, and then we've got the bedrooms right here. So we'll go this way. We'll circle around through the main living space. So you've got a kitchen that is nice and clean. This refrigerator will not be conveying. The seller will be taking that refrig. Uppers are about 36-inch uppers. Nice wainscoting detail. Here's the view from your kitchen sink, again out to the backyard. So when we come over here to the porch, an excellent spot for you in terms of, you've got your grill location. This is a 3 Seasons porch, so you can open up all these screens and have it be nice and open feeling, and yet have the roof over your head when we catch a passing thunderstorm. So again, we're back outside here. Beautiful view. Could easily fence the backyard if you wanted. Maintenance-free vinyl siding. We got architectural shingles on the roof. Coming back into the kitchen area, this is a rolling island. This piece is actually a family heirloom. Will not be staying, but you can always buy yourself a replacement. Coming through into what would normally be the dining room is really an office setup. So think of it this way. The Breakfast area is over there, and this would be the dining room if you're a larger family considering this home. We have a walk-up attic access here, coat closet right there, the front entry door which I came in, another linen closet right here. Here is our full bathroom. We've got plenty of linen storage. This is a tub shower. Double vanity setup right here. Coming back into the master bedroom. Right rear. And again, you could argue that maybe you would not use this as the master, maybe you would use the left front. This is the left front bedroom. Here's the coat closet that is up against the foyer closet. Plenty of wall space. If you've got a king size bed, no problem. What's interesting is this home has no shortage of storage areas because above us is a walk-up attic. This is actually attic stairs, a walk-up attic. And what's kind of neat, you're never going to finish this space off, but you've got end-to-end floor, so you've got plenty of storage as you can see. But there's more. We've got a unfinished basement below us, which could easily be finished off. And like I said, we've got central air in this home. So let's go and take a peek downstairs real quick. We've got right here energy efficient boiler with the domestic hot water coming off of the coil. So you've got a tempering valve right here, 100% oil. Here's your backyard, and here's that walkout door that I was speaking about. And when we come over here, don't worry about any issues with the electrical system. We've got a modern breaker panel. So this is the 100 amp service, and we've got the oil tank right here above ground in the basement. So that's it for this home.